What exactly comes in the Hollyland Lark M2S microphone? I just bought this kit. It's the full kit with all the adapters for all the different camera options. So first is the little charging kit. So here's the case, and in it, I don't know if you can see this. So I'm not using the microphone right now because everything's in the box. But what comes in the box? There are two of these little tiny clip-on microphones. They just open up like this, and this little button allows you to sync it, although I haven't even needed to use the button yet. Two of these. This little guy here, does that get in focus? I think it is. This lets you hook up the Hollyland mic to your camera. It's got a little mini pin here. It's got a volume adjustment here, and it also has a USB-C connection if you want to attach it that way, and this little tab for hooking up onto the top of your camera. And this is the attachment if you want to use a USB-C like a GoPro or a modern phone that plugs directly into. Let's see, is that in focus? There we go. All that fits in this case, but because I sprung for the full kit, I also have this attachment, which works with my iPhone, which still has the Lightning port instead of the USB-C. This did not come with the kit. I bought it separately. It's a little adapter so that I can plug the mic into my iPhone, even if it's in a case. And of course, these all charge in here. There's also a full sheet of instructions with all the different connectors and options laid out. Two Softies for wind noise reduction. These pop right onto the two microphones. The cable that you would need to plug this into your camera. See, it plugs right in here. And the charging cable. And that is everything that comes in the Hollyland Lark kit, the M2S, which is the version I bought, which has, I think, the most options for accessories. And just as a reminder, what you're hearing right now is not the audio through that mic, because the mic is still in the box. Check my other video where I review the Hollyland Lark. I put it to use, and I talk about some of the ways you can use a wireless mic.